After facing frustrating game freezes myself and testing many solutions, I finally found several methods that truly work to solve these problems, and I will share them with you now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Nvidia shader cache freezes on DirectX 12, ensuring your games run smoothly. First, we look at clearing the shader cache. Your computer keeps a special folder of preprocessed game data called the shader cache. If this data becomes corrupted or old, it can make your games stop or stutter, especially after big game updates or driver changes. Wiping this cache clean forces your system to create brand new, perfect data, getting rid of any bad files that might be causing freezes. This makes sure your game visuals are built correctly from scratch. Next, updating your graphics drivers is super important. Think of graphics drivers as the instruction book for your Nvidia card. If this book is old, your card might not understand how to run the newest games or DirectX 12 features properly. Getting the latest drivers provides important fixes, makes your games run faster, and helps your card work better with DirectX 12. This smooth communication prevents unexpected slowdowns. Then we consider adjusting power settings. Sometimes your graphics card doesn't get a steady flow of power, or it tries to save energy, which can cause it to slow down or even freeze when things get intense. Setting your power management to prefer maximum performance makes sure your GPU always runs at its best. This stops power issues from causing your games to lock up. Finally, verifying game files and checking DirectX is a key step. Game files can break over time, and DirectX, which helps Windows handle graphics, can also have problems. Checking your game files fixes any missing or damaged parts. Making sure DirectX is installed correctly means your basic graphics system is working perfectly. This double check addresses software damage at both the game and system level, which often causes those annoying freezes and crashes.